This is Ken Rockwell with KenRockwell.com and KenRockwell.tv. Let's unbox a Fujifilm X-E3 camera. We've got a perfectly normal box. It is in micro corrugated cardboard. We open her up. This is a loaner, so I'm not sure if this is exactly the way it ships brand new. We've got a printed manual in English, along with some paperwork. We've got some paperwork here talking about Bluetooth. We've got a little tray that comes out. And let's see, inside, we have one little, this is a formed pulp. Here we've got this little guy. This is beautiful. This is a tiny little flash gun. This flash gun is self-powered. It powers itself from the camera's own battery, and it flips up and flips down like this. Flip it up to turn it on, flip it off to turn it off. It's so simple, it confused me at first because there's no power switch or anything on this little guy. This is a beautiful little flash. It sort of attempts to make up for the fact that the camera has no flash. And to be honest, an advantage is it gets it further off the camera. Inside the camera itself, what have we got here? I borrowed this and somebody put a QC sticker on it. I'm not sure if this is the way that comes from the factory. Open her up. This particular one doesn't have a holder on the, here we go. It's obviously a camera body. It comes with the standard front cap from Fujifilm. Thank you very much. Let's see what's in the bottom of the box. We've got a little cardboard cover. And in here we have battery. What kind of battery did we get? This battery is an NPW126S, which is the good one. This is the larger capacity battery Fuji has used for the past couple of years in most, if not all, their better cameras. We've got a standard power cord, unpolarized, thank you very much. We've got a strap, and we've got some of these ridiculous little strap lugs and strap protectors and little strap split ring opening tools. I never use these. You see, what it is the Fujifilm cameras come, and they only have these little niplets on the side here. And then you have to use the split rings and everything else. I use Leica's original equipment strap, which I link to on my website, KenRockwell.com. Just search up the Fuji X-E3 and I'll have a full review, along with links to where to get the strap. I use the Leica strap because it's perfect weight, perfect feel, made in Germany. And the most important thing is it mounts and unmounts these cameras without tools instantly and does not mar the camera ever. So investing in a strap like that is a lifetime investment. If we look for quality control, let's see. This camera is made in China. Judge that as you may. Battery door. Again, this isn't a review. I'll have the review later. Hey, it's a little bit of a seal here, and it's got a nice little latch. That's okay. See what else is in the box. It's just unboxing. I will have a full review later. And, of course, my website, the official site, KenRockwell.com, will have the full, in-depth, explicit review. Here's a battery charger, BCW126, pretty much standard. Good and bad news is it requires a cord. It does not have a flip-out plug. And that's it for the Fujifilm X-E3 unboxing. You can read more in the complete review at KenRockwell.com. Thank you very much for watching.